Try and pop a left, but don't cross the street. Cause I don't want this nigga to see the GoPro on my head.
He's gonna have to flip around.
Yeah. Is he spinning? For sure. Okay, so this place is a new place to us. Boblo boat used to, I think, come here and yeah, it's pretty tall though, and it has a nice little water tower. I don't know if I'm gonna climb that because that's Canada and Border Patrol be hot. Watch out for the like boats and shit. Sorry about the wind. There's a freighter getting loaded up right there. Yeah. There's this car right there. I don't know what's up with it, but I think it's for Viola. Here they are.
Don't go up.
I don't like these stairwells.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Where's the letter?
It's very, oh, it's getting bigger. So, a lot of the floors are probably gonna look the same. Because it's obviously just a factory. But, oh, we're here. Holy shit, bro.
What?
Holy shit. I've been waiting to see this view for fucking years. That city truck keep driving by, I don't fuck with it. That sounds like the gate opening. Yo, we can get up more, bro. Where's the roof?
You can get up more.
We gotta be able to. Probably over here. Now see, if that was in Canada, I'd climb that. This might be a nighttime mission. Yeah. I just don't.
This ladder faces that fucking street.
If it faced that way, way different. None of them have a ladder on this side. Hey, if you see a helicopter, get inside. Cause they do be flying across the river. I want to do it so bad, bro. I just don't want a helicopter to fly past. I'm even scared to be like up on the roof in a helicopter. It's too windy. I'm not fucking with it because I want to do it too so bad. Oh, you can see it from Google. Sid nudes. Oh, this says send. Sid nudes. Like the helicopter. Do you see it? Yeah, it's turning now. That helicopter looks like it's coming straight at us. It's above the bridge. It's just that black dot coming straight at us. I'm just looking. Does it just go straight?
That's the
Fucking freighter. Oh, I'll go down one. Oh, did I leave my camera light on the roof? I did.
I remember seeing it on the ground too. On this backside of the roof.
Over there?
Yeah.
Fuck. Look at my baby. Alright, and I don't know if y'all can go to see it, but like, yeah, bro, and some of these steps are like, it's just wet down there.
This one's dark as fuck.
Yeah, and quiet. Look at the ceiling.
Yeah, it's like growing stalagmites and shit.
You want to look back by the water? Then we divvy again. They're fighting.
This would be a wild ass swim spot.
This room's cool, bro. Was there water in these? Were these water turbines?
I have no idea.
Some sort of turbine. That's the easy way. We're gonna take this way. This looks like fucking The Last of Us.
It looks like a cave to hell.
Does that go down?
No.
Oh, what is it?